Good morning, it's Wednesday, April 3rd. Today is Creative Wednesday and I'm going to do an uncertain number of parts, which are creatively named after book characters due to the fact that I don't know how many parts there will be. Part Dobby. My name is Maike and I decided yesterday I could do a video for 365 nerds, and they answered me if I could do it today or tomorrow. And since they might have a chance to still find someone for tomorrow, I said I would do one for today. Yeah, so I don't have a huge plan, but we will see how it will go. Part Augustus. So 2 days ago was April Fool's Day, and most of you probably know that John did this April Fool where he said on Twitter he was cast for Augustus, and I told my mom about it and she was like, I have never seen John Green, but I guess he's too old. And then I showed her a Vlogbrothers video and she was, oh, he's actually quite young, that could work. Part Pippin. So when I was younger, my grandmother's boyfriend told me that cows could reach their nose with their tongue. And little me thought, I'm better than a cow, I can do this too, so yeah, I can still do it today. Part Catherine, and this part is going to be about several current YouTube things. So I don't know if you checked your watch thing lately, but they changed it into only being videos from channels you're subscribed to. Now I don't even have the possibility to find new things. I just stuck with all the things I've already found. And another thing is, like, you probably have often seen this comment saying, I'm sorry, I don't want to spam, but my channel didn't got any attention later. I'm always getting super angry at these people because, first of all, if you're doing it and you do have a choice to not do it, you're not sorry for it because you just do it. And you say you don't want to spam, but you are actually spamming. So why do you say you don't want to spam if you do it? I don't understand these people. Oh, and I just shortly wanted to talk about Veda. I think it's a cool thing, and I originally wanted to do it, but I have a big exam coming up in May and June, and so I've got a lot of studying to do and can't do it. And good luck to all of you who do it. I think that's all the random parts I can come up with. Best wishes.